In this video, I am going to tell you how you can download the firmware file of the Xiaomi 17T, which is the latest smartphone, and a lot of the users are looking to download the firmware file, but they are confused from where they are doing and how you can do. This video is just a purpose to guide you step by step, and honestly, I have not the device on the table to guide you properly, but some steps and guidelines I will give you that will help you. Okay, first of all, uh, I am here miframe.co.net, and here I will download the China, Global, Russia, India, EEA, Taiwan, Turkey. You can see the file sizes, file version, and raw version, and you can download from here. That I will do the same. And for this, okay, I would like to global and download this file size. It's already in the downloading. Now I would like to choose this file and download the MiFlash tool. You can see download from the server. MiFlash tool. I would like to choose. Okay, okay. Now I would like to download the Flash MI tool. I already hope so downloaded this tool in the PC. You can see MiFlash tool, and here I will open it. Okay, it's asking me to install the driver that are recommended and required for the Xiaomi Mi. Okay, download the driver. Number one, Android Win USB. Number two, NVIDIA driver. Number three, Microsoft driver. Number four, Microsoft driver again, and the number five, Qualcomm driver. Okay, let us continue in the background. So drivers are installing, downloading, and file is also. So what are the steps we need to understand? First of all, here are the step guidelines. So you need to see your file dated accurately, perfect. Okay, for fastboot, we need to download MiFlash. Already it's downloaded. We already open, and driver are installing in the background. Okay, file on file download. We will select that file. Like how would you like to select this options, and where you will place your file, you can easily select like this way. I would like to go this, then there is no any file right now. Once it's downloaded, you can easily select yourself, so make sure you can unblock your bootloader. Okay, it is very trick and problem issue. I would like to guide you one by one, step by step, that how you can do yourself. I am using the Samsung smartphone, and you need to do the same thing, but some names changing and setting changing, you will need to understand. Okay, we are going to enable the developer option first, then enable the USB debug, then OEM unlock. Okay, I have the smartphone on my hand, that is Samsung, but you will need to do yourself on the Redmi, Xiaomi. Okay, now go to the setting, about phone. Okay, in the Samsung, in the Samsung there is a software information, but you need to go to the MI and then Hyper OS you will see. Okay, then top up to 7 times like I am doing on the build number. Okay, now it is asking me to put the password. I added my password and it asking developer mode has been enabled. That's cool. Now go back again to the setting. Okay, additional setting in the MI developer option you will see like this. All of the options you will see on your smartphone one by one. Okay, we will enable the USB debug first. Okay, you are seeing. debugging option that is asking allow USB debugging. Yeah. Okay, what next? OEM unlock. That is option. Here you go. Okay, it's asking again the password. Okay, again asking, do you really sure you are gonna enable OEM unlocking? Yeah, enable. So that's all on the smartphone. Now we would like to follow up the software on the file downloaded properly. We will select here and put the file path directly, then refresh, and then we will click on the flash button once we already prepare all the things on our laptop. You are seeing, you can see the configurations of a MiFlash tool, main program. Okay, rest all data. If you want to rest your smartphone data, you can select this where drivers are running in the background. Okay, other things, check the such a check all. It's asking the driver should complete. Okay. If you are facing any problem, any issue, you can comment on the video. I will try to make a unique tutorial for you. We'll meet in another video. Thank you for watching.